Open the refrigerator door and locate the control panel at the top. Remove the top glass shelf to gain better access to the control box. Pop off and remove the control box to access the 2 screws holding the LED light strip. Remove the 2 screws holding the LED light strip and set them aside. With LED light strip free from the top of the fridge, slightly pull apart the wire connection to disconnect the LED light. Reconnect the wire connection plug to the new LED light strip. Then reattach the LED light strip with the 2 screws by hand threading them first, then tightening the screws. Be sure not to over tighten as this can cause damage. Reinstall the control box by pushing the back of the control box into place until it snaps in. Slide the top glass shelf into the plastic guide rails and push it towards the back of the refrigerator.